Hawaii LED Screen has inaugurated our newest experience center in the heart of Coimbatore for our beloved Coimbatore people. In this experience center, we are introducing the concept of retail showrooms of LED screens. Here, I'll show you all the varieties of products we have showcased one by one. We will start here with lower pixels. In indoor, we have lower pixels 1.2 and there is 1.5. And here if you want to see, it is a 3D display. If the viewing distance is very correct, this will appear like it is coming out of the screen. So it will be really beautiful to showcase your products through a 3D display. We have 1.8 pixel indoor display and also we have 2.5 indoor display. So these are the pixels available in indoor. It has high resolution and you can use it for all your indoor needs. This is the flexible LED screen. So in the case of fixed installations or project, we have all the solutions that you require. It is highly customizable. We can do flexible, we can do corner, 3D, any shape, transparent, we can do everything. Everything is possible here and demos is available here. In transparent series, you can place it on the walls without blocking the outside view. You will see the outside view, and when the walking people are going on the outside and they are seeing the screen, it is high resolution quality videos. You can showcase your products, your content without blocking the view. For the outdoor requirements, we have P2, P3, P4, P5 and more. In our name board, we have used P3 outdoor. So you can see the resolution. This is an application we are trying to show here. There is P4 outdoor also showcased here. We can use different type of customized solution for your outdoor needs with different type of pixels. This is our P1 series standee with COB technology. It has high resolution as you can see, and the best part is it comes with a flight case. It is very portable and it has an inbuilt media player. You can push contents in this standee through a USB, HDMI, local storage and cloud. This is a globe screen. You can physically rotate it and here the content is rotating. You can add 360 content to it and it is very attractive. We also have our rental cabinet showcased here. We have all the different varieties of pixels, different varieties like black outdoor LED is there, and you have different pixels in indoor and outdoor as well. And there is different sizes. There is 500 cabinet in the G Pro series, 576 cabinets in the Glado series, and there is Elite cabinet, and we have exact to fit G Max cabinet. This is the only cabinet, I'm speaking worldwide, this is the only cabinet that comes in exact to fit. It is 609.6 mm. So if you visit our store, you can see all the demos available here. Here we are giving you an opportunity to experience and see the product before you're planning your purchase. We have indoor different pixels available, we have outdoor events and everything. We are planning to give a complete solution for your LED requirements. So visit our showroom, visit our experience center here in Coimbatore, experience the newest technology available in the LED screens, and give us a call if you have any requirement.